I haven't recorded in a minute, but I'm having technical difficulties on my YouTube channel, so but I'm working on it to get it fixed. But yeah, no. How y'all been? It's been a minute since I posted. It's been like 2 days, but it feels like forever. I want to give you guys I want to thank you guys so much because we hit 30 subscribers not too long ago. It's a little bit, but to me it's a lot. You know, we've only, for a month, to me 30 subscribers in a month, that's crazy. That's good growth to me. So I feel like if we could continue that growth, we'll definitely be up there. But yes, thank you guys very much for subscribing. Thank you guys who be watching my videos, and I hope you guys really enjoy. Y'all let me know if y'all want more POV driving or what other content you guys want to see, because my YouTube channel bases around POV drives. But if you guys want to see car reviews, go to car meets, I hang out with the homies quite often, so if y'all want to see more of that, let me know. But yeah, let's get into it. It's 4th of July, so cars right now might be crazy. So I gotta drive safe. Keep it under 100. Hold on, am I tripping or did my car go to 3rd to 5th? I don't even know, bro. What? I think the car went to 3rd or 5th. Damn, bro. My car's becoming a certified lemon. I'm gonna have to replay that, cause maybe I wasn't for it, but I thought I was on 3rd and I went to 5th. Nah. Water bottle. My girlfriend got me this. Is a Stanley. I never really understood the hype behind Stanleys. I just saw it as another like hydro flask. Usually a cop right here, but I guess not today. Bro, in Atlanta it's so hot. What is it outside? 96, dude. That's inside the car. I promise you, if you're outside, it's even worse. It's probably like 114 outside. Tesla, stylish. My videos are usually like 5 to 10 minutes. Y'all also let me know if y'all want longer videos. I'll make longer videos, but I don't think people really watch my videos for that long. like longer than like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't think people really watch it for that long, but if y'all definitely want longer videos, let me know. I'll bring longer videos. My car's due for maintenance. I need to get my brakes done. Should we watch some TikTok? Dang, man, my worst fear, cars pulling up right next to me. Let's get on the phone. Yeah, let's get on the phone.
This is Sylvia. Let's go. Little nigga,
Yeah, I go rock with the TikTok too. Same thing as my same thing as my YouTube.
shoes on, wore no
Alright, I'm not gonna talk no more. I'm gonna give you a straight motor. Give you that raw motor sound. Go, papi, I'm letting you in. That's embarrassing, dude. Oh my goodness, a car scooting like that is crazy. I'm gonna end it right here though, because I'm getting almost to my address, my Addy, and I don't want y'all stalking me, you know, coming to my house. So y'all probably know where I'm at though, but I'll let y'all go. Bye.